So next we'll check for leaks. So this is our pressure controller from L-Flow, and we'll use our pneumatic tubing from our kit and just push it in. You should push it in all the way, and if you try to pull it out, it should not come out. The only way you should be able to pull it out is by pushing this ring and then pulling it out. So push all the way in, and if you try to pull it out, it should not come out. And then the other end should go to our filters push connect over here. Same thing here. Push it all the way in, and it should not be able to come out. Make sure your base for the filter is locked in. It kind of rotates and comes out like this. So make sure it's in, snapped in, and then rotate all the way so it's closed. And we'll then connect since our push connect is connected here and connected here, this pressure controller should prevent any airflow. And if our system is gas tight, there should be no sound coming from our tubes or pipes. So when we turn on the gas cylinder's pressure, should expect an initial rush of air as the system pressurizes, but then no noise, no hissing sound should come, which indicates there are no leaks. So let's try it out. Let's pressurize the system. So you can see there's an initial hiss, and now there's no sound. Pin drop silence. And that indicates to us that there are no leaks anywhere in our system, and our PTFE tape is working as expected. Now we need to depressurize our system. We'll just close the cylinder, and the pressure will start dropping. As you can see, it's dropping very slowly, so you can just leave it, and the air should eventually slowly leak out after closing, because it's not completely gas tight, but it's still good enough that the air can slowly seep out. Another important thing you should remember is even if you've closed the valve for the gas cylinder, the system is still pressurized. So if you try to pull this tubing out, you'll get a huge rush of air that comes out at the same time. If you try to do this when the cylinder is turned on, this can lead to injury and is extremely dangerous. So do not try to remove this tubing when the cylinder or house air pressure is connected. That is very dangerous, and you can severely injure yourself. So just to demonstrate how pressurized the system still is, after I've closed the valve, I'm going to try and remove it. Since no more air will flow, this will eventually stop, but there's a lot of pent up air pressure in here, and you'll see that. Please don't try this. This is very dangerous. Yeah, that was really loud. I'm not sure if the microphone could pick that up, but please don't do this. It can be quite dangerous.